Today we got a very interesting video. I just received a package from Pinch Me. Now they did get a hold of me I think it was last month sometime, and they wanted to send me a box to review on my channel, do an unboxing and all of that. Pinch Me, believe it or not, is 100% absolutely free for these free samples. So if you want to find out what I got in my box and hear a little bit about Pinch Me, just keep watching. Everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so again, Pinch Me did get a hold of me, I think it was a few weeks ago, and they wanted to send me a box to review on my channel. Well, I've had this box for, I'm going to say 2 weeks now. So I have already unboxed it and I've already used some of the stuff out of it, believe it or not.
Because my boys thought it was something for them for some reason.
I still have shots and everything of everything that I got in the box. So Pinch Me, what it is it is a free service. It is 100% free. You do not give them a dime. You don't give them a credit card number or anything. All they want back is feedback. They want info. They want reviews. They just want your opinion on what you think of the samples that they send out. So we're going to go ahead and open this box, and I'm going to show you guys what I have, and I'm going to show you what I've used. Okay, now the first thing that I got, and of course it's open and it's empty, but I did save the package because I had to try it for dinner the other night. This is Seeds of Change Certified Organic Quinoa and brown rice with garlic or whatever. But that was just a rice pack that they sent, and it was delicious, let me tell you. The next thing that I got is also been opened and used because I'm a coffee freak. This is coffee, and it is the 1850, the Folger Coffee Company. Trailblazer right there. I don't know if that's what kind it is or what, but it says fire roasted medium dark roast coffee. First of all, guys, you know I'm a coffee freak, so that package is absolutely empty, and it was delicious. I also forgot they do send a little card right here, a little welcome card. And on the back, it shows you how Pinch Me works. And it tells about how it's free, not your average box. And of course, you get all these samples. It could be beauty items. It could be food. It could be anything. Health, beauty, all of it. Now, the next thing that I got, and I did try this out one time, and I absolutely love it. And since it is just a sample size until I get a full size, because I am getting a full size of this. I absolutely loved it. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Now, what this is for your hair. It just does all kinds of stuff. It detangles. It gives it a shiny coat to your hair, which is so beautiful. And I believe it's also a heat protectant. Not exactly. Don't mark my words on that. I ain't tried that out yet, but this does 10 things. So it smells, oh my gosh. I wish y'all could come through that camera right now and smell this. It smells wonderful. Now, the next thing that I got was the all-in-one Biore. This is the charcoal cleansing micellar water, which I love using a good micellar water. I have been using an oil cleanser lately just because my skin is really dry. I actually use this before or after, especially if it leaves an oily residue. Melts your makeup away. This stuff is just magic in a bottle, and I love it, and it smells absolutely. Ooh, it smells wonderful. Now, the next thing in the box is Native Deodorant. Now, this is an all-natural deodorant, and I did use this. This actually really does work, and it was really, really lovely. So, I'm not exactly sure about the company, but I do love that deodorant. And again, it is all-natural. The next thing in the box, I have not tried this yet, but I think I have tried it before. This is the Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. And I believe, I don't know if it's a hand moisturizer or an all-over or whatever. You could, whatever. It is a lotion. And I heard this is really good stuff. I heard it's been out for a really long time. The next thing that I got, I think that is Compeed. I'm not exactly sure. These are blister cushions. And this is in medium. Now, I don't know exactly what medium it is. That might be like the thickness of the cushion. This is 5 cushions. Now, these are perfect when you're wearing heels. because I'm telling you what, an hour in heels and I'm ready to rip them puppies off. So these will definitely come in handy. And the last thing that I got in the box, guys, is the Moroccan oil treatment. And I think, is that the brand? Moroccan oil, I believe, is the brand. Now, this is again for your hair. This is a hair treatment. Now, I have not used this yet, but I am going to give it a go and see what it's got. I love stuff with Moroccan oil in it. It really leaves your hair really soft and shiny, so I really love it. I'm going to leave Pinch Me link down below. Make sure you go check him out. Remember, it is 100% free. You don't have to give him not one dime. You don't give him nothing. And you get free samples just for your feedback. So again, I will link them below, and if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you next video. Bye guys.